Today on the menu are Eggless Snickerdoodle cookies. In a large bowl, combine softened butter and sugar. Using a handheld mixer, cream together. This will usually take 1 minute and you want the butter and sugar to be light and fluffy. Into the same large bowl, add vanilla, milk, and cream of tartar. Whisk together until combined. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your flour, baking soda, and salt. You will want to pour half of the dry ingredients and mix together, and then pour the second half of the dry ingredients and mix together until the ingredients are just incorporated. I like to do this in 2 phases to make the mixing easier, and this is when I realized I should have used a larger bowl as it got very messy. Try not to overmix as this will create dense cookies. Cover and chill in the refrigerator for an hour. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Using a small cookie scoop, scoop out the dough and roll into a ball. Then roll the dough in a cinnamon sugar mixture. Bake 10 to 11 minutes. You're looking for the edges of the cookies to be formed and the center of the cookie not to be too doughy. Try not to overbake them. Enjoy every bite and follow along for more egg-free recipes here at Our Slice of Home.